Hello guys, welcome back to my day 7 English speaking practice. This is my day 7. When I decided to speak in English in front of camera and uploaded my practicing video on YouTube, I am so hesitate. I am so confused. What is this? This finally confused for this upload. What is people think of my speaking? What is talk? What is comments? And my friends what is talk about this of when my friends see my video on YouTube. But recently, 2 3 4 days 4 to 3 days when I continue this session, I am so happy because my speaking my English speaking is so much better. Before I start my English not enough I'm not to think in English. I'm not to speak English. I can't speak English. I can't think in English. When I think in English, my brain is stuck. My brain is stuck. When I start this session, my mind is slowly, lightly think in English. Now you see, I am continue to talk. One person is better in my speaking. You see when you see my past videos, 5 to 6 days uploaded video. When you see this, my speaking is not better. But today I am record myself any other support, any paper pencil, any script. When I start this channel uploaded video, I am recorded. Firstly I write this script or what I talk about on these videos, recording videos. I firstly write this sentence or script. For recording myself in front of camera, I firstly prepare the script, reading and one by one sentence. And when you see my past videos, every sentence one cut. This is the problem. So I decided to no script, no any other paper pencil. I come to my home ground, my ground, and open my camera and record myself. When I this decision made my English speaking so much better. In my English speaking so much better. I talk to English some lightly, one what is the call, when I speak, my mind is slowly think in English. Firstly I when I made videos, firstly I think in English. Firstly I think in my mother tongue and then translate in my mind and then I talk. This is the problem. So when I start my challenge, and record myself, my English is slowly develop. Slowly my confidence level is now so much better. My fluency is so much better. My pronunciation is slowly better. My grammatical, when my first videos is so much grammatical mistake I made, but now slowly this grammatical mistake is decreasing, and my speaking skill is now so much better. The When I record this video now, the sun is rising, so much beautiful. See what is the view? What is the view? You see this video. I also the clip on this ground. On this ground videos, one clip. You see this. What is the so much beautiful view? Why I choose my home ground for recording? Because and in the morning, because in the morning weather is so much calm and cool. People is in the home, and sound noising is so much not problem in my videos. The sound noising is not a problem in my videos, and when I wake up and start speaking, my mind is fully power to think in English and speak in English. This is the this is the main reason why I recording myself in the morning. And the ground is empty, and school is not opening opening on now. School is opening 7:30 or 7 a.m. In the morning, in morning session, primary school, and noon school is 10:30 a.m. or 11 a.m. Opening. This is the timing on school timing in my state. So this is my practicing. You tell me in this comment, in this video's comments, what is my improving when you see in this video. What is my mistakes? What is my grammatical mistakes? What is my grammatical? What is my pronunciation mistakes? You tell me. Also suggest what I overcome this problem. Also I am analysis my videos or my speakings for my better English, better speaking English, speak in English, and that is the today's practice session. So thank you watching these videos. When you continue now watching, you supporting me, you know what is my problem. My problem is I am not better in English. I am also I am a Bengali medium. In my mother tongue is Bengali. My schooling is Bengali medium. My college is Bengali medium. So this is the problem I faces in English. When any other people, my friends, my any person talk to me in English. I am not able to talk my friends. So thank you watching this my videos, and see you tomorrow or day 8 English practicing video. Thank you. Please support this channel and like these videos. Please support this channel, and also one comment what I improve in the next videos. Thank you.